Happy Saturday, toy car collectors. So there's a new challenge out there. The show basically any truck challenge. Um, challenge created by our friend over at Zelda Diecast Racing, who has an amazing channel. So if you don't know that channel, please check it out. You will not be disappointed. Anyways, basically show some trucks. Doesn't matter which ones. So I got, I think, 10, I believe. And there are going to be all sorts of different trucks here. Starting with this old Tootsie Toy. Chemical truck. Real basic toy. Made in the USA. No windows or anything. Definitely been played with. But I like this kind of stuff, so I don't mind adding it to my collection if I can look into them cheap. Decals missing on that side. Kind of cool. Look at the base. Made in USA. Got a 1970 date on it. All right, so there's a Tootsie Toy chemical truck. Oh, a little no-namer truck here. A little container truck. Little China truck, made in China. Carnival Cruise Lines. Kind of neat. So there's that one. An old Corgi Jr. here. That is the Terex R35 rear dump truck, I believe it is called. Made in Great Britain. Yeah. Dumper actually does go up and down on that. Not the best looking wheels, but still a cool truck. Like a quarry type truck. Alright, so there's the Corgi. A recent purchase of mine. This little VW truck, Majorette. With all the hippie stuff on there. And the free entry sign. It's kind of like the graphics on that one. So there's your hippie VW there. The Matchbox here. That one is known as the Breakdown Van tow truck. I've got, I think, 3 of these. This one, I found it loose. I think this whole plastic part's a little bit discolored. It's supposed to be white. I think it got some sun, but still pretty cool. If you actually press down on the tow bar, all that moves. So, yeah. Interesting casting. Nice little all-work truck. That's a green light. I really like the way they did the toolboxes and the ladders on this, or ladder. Yeah, good job on that one, green light. I've had that for quite a while now. Okay, got 4 more here. Save my favorite 3 for last, I think. Studebaker. tow truck. That's an M2. Looks good. Like the color combo on that. M2 does make a very good quality tow truck. At least the ones that I've been able to pick up. I've been quite pleased with them. So nice looking old school wrecker, tow truck, whatever you want to call it. I go small with this guy here. It's one of those little miniature Hot Wheels from the 80s. Little sort of a Baja style truck. Pretty cool. I mean, pretty small, you can see, compared to that Corgi there. So, kind of neat. Excuse me. Two more. That monster. One of my Oshkosh snow plows. This one in black with the flames. Does have the plastic detachable plow on the front. Yeah, maybe a little bit of dust as a bonus for this video. I have most of the versions of this one, except for the lime green one. I'd really like to get that one. It's a nice, cool looking, unusual vehicle. And the last one I want to show here, the old Dodge dump truck from Matchbox. Really nice shape. Totally works. Awesome truck. So anyways, that's my response to the challenge. Thank you, Zelda Diecast Racing, for putting the challenge out there. And all the nice words you leave me about my videos. I really do appreciate it. Thanks for watching, everybody.